Novo Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Novo Wallet app has been gaining attention as one of the best multi-chain wallets for the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems. But is it really as powerful and user-friendly as people claim? Let's look at the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, Novo Wallet's strongest point is its deep integration with the Polkadot ecosystem. It supports DOT, KSM, and hundreds of Parachain tokens, including assets from projects like Acolyte, Moonbeam, and Aster. That makes it ideal for anyone active in the growing and Polkadot space. Another big advantage is staking and governance. Novo Wallet lets you stake tokens directly from the app to earn rewards or participate in network decisions. It even provides detailed analytics on staking performance, validator stats, and real-time yield estimates. The user interface is another highlight. The app is beautifully designed, with smooth navigation and clear visuals that make complex blockchain interaction simple even for newcomers. Security-wise, Novo Wallet is non-custodial. You hold your own private keys, giving you complete control over your assets. Your data is encrypted locally on your device, ensuring privacy and safety. But it's not all perfect. One major con is that Novo Wallet is heavily focused on the Polkadot ecosystem. While it supports other networks like Ethereum, it's not as comprehensive as multi-chain wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet for broader use. Another potential downside is limited fiat integration. You can't directly buy crypto with your credit card or withdraw to bank accounts inside the app. It's designed for managing and staking tokens, not for direct trading or cash conversions. Lastly, because it's a newer wallet, some users might face minor bugs or compatibility issues with certain apps. In conclusion, the Novo Wallet app is a top-tier choice for anyone involved in the Polkadot or Kusama ecosystems. It's secure, beautifully built, and feature-rich for staking and governance. But if you want a universal wallet for every blockchain, you might need a second app. For Woo explorers, though, Nova is an impressive and reliable companion.